Best Business Security System. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Vivint. The company is known for its business automation capabilities, but the features of Vivint's business security system particularly catch our eye. Additionally, Vivint told us recently that the down payment requirement doesn't exist for consumer financing. Consequently, it becomes more accessible to a greater number of people. SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe takes business security to an entirely new level. Hence, we should go back to removing some of that boredom-inducing stuff found in security companies, brash salespeople, and long-term contracts. Frontpoint. You have complete control and installation of your security system with Frontpoint. You have the convenience of full-service, professionally installed business security. Frontpoint Security offers a full line of home security features, new smart home integration, mobile monitoring, and mobile app control. ADT. Security consultations and installation are provided by ADT experts. Additionally, it has more monitoring stations combined than any other company. Experience is the key to the success of ADT Business Security Monitoring. Abode. Abode's Smart Security Kit or sleek IOTA Security Hub can protect your business in numerous ways. Using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, you can control Abode from your home with your voice, no matter what route you choose. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.